Hello, my name is Sui Seng. My matrix number is 83456. So my reflection of this Khazanah Berhad, the Unfiltered Comms programs, I learned a lot of many important lessons and also about findings about how the communication works and in real situation, and especially during crisis. So the one of bigger things I learned in this program is that communication must be clear, must be honest, and also must be responsible to the public, also to the internal and the external communication. So during the simulation, during the scenario that given by the program, the mentors, so I saw that how easily the messages can change, and it can shapes and change the mind where people have add their own opinions or miss out some important facts when if we don't send or give the message properly. This taught me that this is as a future strategic communicators, we must always know, always check our informations, must be carefully and make sure that what the things that we share or the information we get or write must be true and fair and responsible and honestly to the public, to the media, and to the internal and the external stakeholders and strategic communicators. So I also learned that strategic communication is not only writing statements or answering all the questions. It's also like understand what groups of people or like the medias or what they need. For example, for the internal and external communicators, we have employees. They want, when the crisis happen, employees must wants to get reassurance. The clients, the investors, they want to know once our professionalism when during crisis happen, and also the public, the media wants to get the information accurately, wants to get correct the right facts, and so it means that public wants to get honesty. So if the message was not coordinated properly, the people maybe feel confused or feel lost trust to our company. So it will makes our reputation drop and hapus. So it's very important for strategic communicators. It's very important that this program shows me that it's very important to work together to plan the message, to update all the stakeholders, and how to handle and how to make sure that the information was accurately and sent and to the media. So overall, this program has gained a better understanding for me, and this is the things that I keep and remember until now about all the reflection, all the things I learned. So, and this program also helped me to understand the real world of strategic communication right now, and makes me to be confident, makes me to be more professional to handling crisis message, and more aware on how communication can influence the trust, the reputation, and the relationships with entire company, like investors, all the of the workers, and also the public perception. So this is my reflection. Thank you.